Hi guys, this is Tim with Tim's World on Rumble. I'm Lane, L-A-Y-N-E with Lane's World. Yeah, check that out if you feel like it. I don't post a lot on there, mainly on YouTube. But anyway, my uncle come up here from Texas. He brought me some mesquite wood. He thought it'd be neat to make guitars out of, and that's what I've gotten into, building guitars and stuff like that. This I might turn into a lap steel guitar. So first of all, I shouldn't have done it, but I cut the pieces in half. They were so heavy. I mean, I can't even lift the bigger ones. That's a smaller one there. So come up under here. Here's the mesquite wood I cut in half. I tried to cut it as straight as I could. And there's the other two pieces. They're a little bigger. Yeah. So what I done was I built that bench so I could get the work up, make it a little easier to do this kind of stuff. And you know, free boards. I mean, who can ask for more than that if everything turns out all right? So I took my chainsaw, I drilled a couple of holes in the bar. I mounted that board on there like that with the spacer. That's the 1 3/4 space in between the chain and the board. And if everything works out all right, I'm going to cut some boards. I don't know how many I'll get. I don't know even know if I'll get 2 out of that, but I can adjust my thickness on them boards. Okay, when I cut that in half, I got it whopper jawed kind of, so I found that board in the barn and I put spacers underneath, and I put a straight edge along there, and it's fairly good. It's not perfect, but good enough. I think I can take out any little bitty thing with the planer. So I put these boards across this table, screwed them down, then I screwed this in the ends into these 2 boards. These will just be like waste boards. Same thing on this end, 2 screws into that, and then I got that screwed in, and hopefully I can make a nice cut. I see a problem already. That screw is up above. I'm gonna have to try to get them flush with this. So I'll do that now and then get the chainsaw going. I'll set this GoPro up on a tripod over here out of the way because this is going to raise a lot of dust, and we'll see what happens. Okay, my fixture vibrated loose on me a little. The nut vibrated loose, come down, but should still be okay. That was not all that easy. Okay, less than 5 minutes it took to cut that. 4.5 minutes. Okay guys, I'm not sure what happened, but you can see this end is a lot thinner. That looks to be about a 1/2 inch thick than this end, which is about 3/4 of an inch. Not sure what happened. And here's my straight edge, and I got a rise in the center there somewhat. I can sand that down, get it flat, and then I'll take a cut without that board. I'll just take a cut. So I think because of that nut came loose on that, it done that. I may need to make some spacers, maybe out of some tubing or pipe or something. I think that's what I'll do. Guys, it is hot out here. My goodness. It's like working in an oven. We went from winter to summer. It's probably a 99% humidity out here. We had bad storms last night. Tornado warnings went off and everything else. Everything's flooded. Who knows when we're supposed to have storms tonight too. Sorry about that. Yeah, we're supposed to have storms tonight too. Bad ones. I hate that. It is what it is. Who knows when I'll get to cut the grass again. Anyways, guys, that's what I've been up to for the last couple of days. You know, this is good mesquite wood, I think. I can use it. So, and it was free. So I'm just trying to see if I can, maybe if I can get me some walnut boards later or something like, or logs later, I'll be able to make boards out of it. So that's all I got, guys, and we will see you on the next one. Bye. Okay guys, I want to add this one last little part to this video. What happened was, on that first cut, the screw nuts on these bolts here, they come loose. So what I done was I added lock nuts everywhere, and nothing come loose. So seemed to do pretty good. I just now cut this board. I didn't record that, but let's see what the other side looks like. Not bad. Not bad. This is mesquite wood. I don't know how straight it got. Wow. Looks pretty straight. I had a hump right here and I sanded that out, put a straight edge across it, got it as straight as I could. My belts kept breaking. They're very old. They're probably 40 years old. Had 60 grit belts. They kept breaking on me. I guess I need to buy some new ones if I'm going to use that belt sander. But that's what I got, guys. That's what I got. I'd love to be able to cut my own walnut wood or whatever, cherry or walnut like this. It worked very well, so I went through it pretty quick, about 4.5 minutes. And that's what we got. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.